Oricom Internet Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Oricom Internet's plans and services are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Oricom Internet is a Canadian telecommunications provider offering internet, home phone and business solutions primarily in Quebec. They provide a variety of internet options, including DSL, cable and fibre, with speeds ranging from basic plans for light users to high-speed options suitable for streaming, gaming and remote work. One of Oricom's key selling points is its competitive pricing compared to major ISPs, making it an attractive alternative for budget-conscious consumers. Their plans come with unlimited data, ensuring no overage fees, and they offer contract-free options for added flexibility. Oricom also provides bundle discounts for customers who combine internet with home phone services. This provider is designed for residential users and small businesses looking for an affordable, no-nonsense internet service with reliable speeds and good customer support. Oricom's customer service is often praised for being more responsive and personalized compared to larger telecom companies. They also offer local technical support, which is a major advantage for customers in Quebec. Additionally, their fibre plans deliver excellent speed and stability, making them a great option for users who need a high-performance connection. The strengths of Oricom Internet include its competitive pricing, unlimited data on all plans, and strong customer support. Their flexible contract options allow users to choose between contract-free plans or term agreements with potential discounts. Their fibre internet delivers fast and stable performance, and their ability to offer bundled services makes them a convenient option for customers looking to consolidate their telecom needs. However, there are some downsides. Oricom's availability is limited to Quebec, meaning customers outside the province won't have access to their services. While their fibre plans are impressive, DSL and cable options may not be as fast or reliable in some areas. Additionally, unlike larger ISPs, they don't offer nationwide mobile services, which could be a drawback for users looking for an all-in-one provider. Overall, Oricom Internet is a solid choice for those in Quebec seeking affordable, reliable internet with great customer service. If you're in their coverage area, they're definitely worth considering. Check the description for plan details and let me know your thoughts in the comments.